2012 question 3 matrices. Remember the formula for these are in the formula booklet. So in part 1 where we're finding the inverse, the first thing we need to do is find the determinant, and it's the difference between the products of the diagonals. So that would be 10 take away minus 4 times minus 3, which is plus 12, so it's minus 2. That means that the inverse is minus 1/2, 1 over the determinant. And on the first diagonal we swap places, and on the second we change the sign. Part 2, we're asked to solve this equation using matrices. So the first thing I'm going to do is write it in matrix form. So the first matrix is the coefficients times xy has to equal minus 10, 4. Now you can't divide by a matrix, but what we do instead is multiply by the inverse. And when we multiply a matrix by its inverse, it becomes the matrix equivalent of 1. That means on this left-hand side, I'm just going to end up with x times y. Now, we've got to be careful on the right. Because the matrix is on the left, it must also be on the left-hand side of the minus 10, 4. So that gives us that xy is minus 1/2, 2, 3, 4, 5 times minus 10, 4. So that is minus 20 plus 16 minus 30 plus 20, which gives us 2, 5. So I can now say that x equals 2, y equals 5.